In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine revisions from multiple reviewers in Word. If you've collected edits from several people, Word's Combine feature lets you merge everyone's changes into a single document so you can review everything in one place. Before you start, make sure you have the original version of your document and each reviewer's edited copy saved and ready to access. Begin by opening the original document in Microsoft Word. This is the baseline that all edits will be compared against. With that file open, go to the Review tab on the ribbon. In the Compare group, click Compare and then choose Combine. This is different from Compare, which shows differences between two documents at a time. Combine is designed to bring multiple sets of edits together. When the Combine Documents dialog appears, you'll see two key fields. In the Original Document box, select your main file, the original version you started with. In the Revised Document box, select one reviewer's edited file. If you're not sure which is which, remember that the original is the clean, baseline document, and the revised is the version with tracked or untracked edits from a specific reviewer. Next, click the More button in the dialog to reveal additional options. Make sure Track Changes is checked. This setting ensures that Word treats the merged differences as tracked changes, so you can see insertions, deletions, formatting adjustments, and reviewer attributions clearly. You can leave the other defaults as they are unless you have a specific reason to change them. Then click OK. Word will generate a combined document showing the original content with the selected reviewer's edits layered on top. You'll see markups such as colored insertions, strike-through deletions, and balloons in the margin. This view helps you understand exactly what was changed and by whom. To add another person's edits, repeat the same process. Go back to the Review tab, click Compare, choose Combine, set the original document and the next reviewer's revised file, confirm that Track Changes remains checked under More, and click OK. You'll run Combine as many times as necessary, each time bringing in another reviewer's file until all revisions are gathered into the same working document. As you work, it can be helpful to pause and glance through the markup to stay oriented. If you're dealing with many reviewers, consistent file names, and a clear order, for example, combining one reviewer at a time, will keep the process smooth. When you're finished, you'll have a single document that consolidates all suggested changes, ready for review and final decisions.